kuyiwani ayi. Shiya for zone 2. Kai.
Ke se shiro zone 2.
Kai.
Ke zone 2.
Gauteng province, Northwest, Limpopo, Free State, Thabeng tsa Lesotho ka Kai.
Polokwane.
Oh. Ay, shapo ngwana Polokwane ge.
Done. Oh. Yeah, bafethu double tap this. Yeah. Buka mine stuck 47. Bafethu can't be. Double tap the screen. Ngabe khona live mfethu ungasitap screen. Double tap the screen share live bafethu si baningi kule live. Sibancane nje sibancane bafethu lesi. As8 namakhanda. Share live. Wena thatha uveze i-braai pack not i-6 pack son. Yo ntwana. Tell me the braai pack not i-6 pack. Sure. Angazi noma ufuna ngimthengele i-braai pack yini. Ngizomthengela le braai pack ayifunayo. Sathi ulambi. Bafethu. Sathi ulambi. Hey, send a little clip. 100 bafethu. Show 100. Double tap the screen. Share the live. Angamboni umuntu share live. Uyakhuphuka bafethu. Send those gifts. Angangigive. 5 gifts. Yes, 5. Yama gifts. I follow you. Uyithenge ke. Akho le ngizokuthengela. Hlala kuphi ngisendele ngepolice. Inkinga angiboni mara ngizoza ngathi mangizibona. Okay, akunankinga.
Whatever 3 about 3.
Ngaringi lezithe mala evini. Indoda yakhe yani manje. Awushiya abantwana namadoda wabo bazothini manje ngathi ngama. Can you dance guys? Nasandorate wena braai pack. Siswe braai pack. Siswe braai pack.
Andifuna usalela ama-donuts mina. Laba ama-donuts kanti andifethu manje ngithatha ama-donuts mfethu.
Ama-donuts ayadura.
Pay for classes I can teach you to dance. Yeah.
Okay, nange u-dance instructor la. Uzonganifundisa yena.
Yeah, I have dancing classes.
Nama-dancing classes ngaphansi kwesihlahla.
Hayi, angihlale ehlahleni.
Uhlala
Emalayiting.
Emalayitini ufana ka Scott mafinyile. Hayi umaphuma mafinyile. For how much? 16. I predict you pays kwakho ntwana. Yeah, is right.
Ushilo njalo. Maqhawe.
Khambani futhi.
Ayi, bemaqhawe kunzima.
Kunzima kwenzakalani manje ukhala ngani?
Ayi bemaqhawe kunzima ne weekend ukuthi imali ayikho.
Uyabona nje nathi sihleli nje silowe speed nama live la sikhulumisa abantu sincaniwe nje kusibhekile.
Usuku lokuphuza namhlanje kodwa sihleli imali. Yangicasulo kayona lento leyo webhesi.
Nami nje ngidiniwe nkalilo nakho. Ayikho nje into engicabanga ngaphandle walento ezibandayo.
Hayi webhesi akaniqhubeke ngisazama lo cash.
Hayi akunankinga bhuti. Angiyadlala bafethu mina don't think. Nathi bengifuna ngikhuluma. Hayi
250 dance class bafethu.
Dance class.
Singena 3 days a week.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Neza bafethu. Friday, Saturday and Sunday. 250. You're lying when I makumete kanti yini makumete. How? So yaphuza thatha angiphuzi nje bengishithi bengidlala how. Have you seen me drinking? Mina I can do it all but drink never. One it all. Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine. Ngicela sithephe iscreen sathephe
Yes mama do how ilana umakeba yinka awusho ngani ukuthi ngingakusukile.
Hayi ungakhuluma noma ngayini.
Ingiya mina siyangihlula bese ngizama nje ngithi
Ngikhuluma.
bese ngithi nami ngiyenza nje ngoba
Into sesibili.
yabo.
Nani?
Uyaphila kodwa?
Ayisephile. Yes. Tap iscreen send ama-gift.
Mere uyaphila. Hayibo. So nina guys nikhona nje nihleli nibukele basendela ama-gifts abanye abantu. Ikhona. Send those gifts bafethu. Cowboy hat, cowboy hat mntana yami. Nami galaxy. Yeah. Double tap the screen, send those gifts. Asiyeni guys, asiyeni. Asikwazi ukuthi bebaningi kodwa manje singathethe iscreen ngapha asikwazi nokuthi send ama-gift. Let's send those gifts bafethu. Send ama-gift, share live. Mbali. Now, nini ukhala ngombali? Para kabali. Ansend ama-gift. Why ngasend ama-gift? I can see you tapping the screen, man. I just want to give. Bafethu, give the boy. Share the live. Share the live. Ariyeng guys, asambeni. Let's take this live to 100k. Asambeni. Double tap the screen. Share the live. Repost it. Thank you for reposting my live. Bafethu. Like the live, everybody. Double tap the screen. Double tap the screen, everybody. Come on, everybody. Bafethu, send those gifts. Blue heads, hey. Anonymous, hello. She's catching up, guys. She's catching up. Bafethu, give the boy, Bafethu, give the boy. Sekayakhuluma no black. Uyakhuluma. Tap the screen bafethu send ama gift. Bafethu kabuye. Gift bafethu share live gift. Animazi bafethu ukuthi nesiwa 53. Ariyeng bafethu. Asambeni share live bafethu. Tap the screen. Send those gift. Abafethu asikawabona ama-gift. Umuntu share yedwa ama-gift.
Azokufollow ama-friends amazokufollowa zenikhululeka.
Send ama-gift.
Siyabona-ke manje game
ansangazi manje mina mthiya ngithi sengigift bafethu wenza ama-gift abantu abadala Zain uyahleka ungabusenda ama-gift how far bafethu asibeni serious man. Let's just be serious for this. Double tap screen kuphela. Let's just send those gifts. Send them a gift. Share the live bafethu. Follow the boy. Nukwenze konke.
Zain follower uSiphesanda. Zain follow
uSiphesanda. Angisena mali. Yo bafethu. Send those gifts. Nathi just join the live. Okay, bafethu asiyeni. Double tap the screen, send the gifts. Asena mali. Ayiseki mali. Share the live bafethu, share any live. Just share the live. Bazoba khona.
Kubasiyeni guys. Iglove bafethu ufaka iglove. Yabo njengamanje ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Thank you.
I am one.
Lapho thank you. Send the thing.
Ndaba zama-1 guys. Boy. Donate spray send ngeglove bafethu. I am one bro. Guys siya. Iglove lesiphela.
Bafethu.
Othi beauty. A beauty. Ongizwa beauty.
Thank you so much guys.
Bafethu, send ama gift. Double tap the screen. Ngeke sodliwa ka. Ayibhlungele yenzeka namhlanje. Wow.
Anoto.
Beauty neza wa stabilizer.
Epis. You know this is the first match we lost today.
How? Sorry.
I was wadlala ngathi shame.
Darling follow. back.
Hayi asifuni. Asifuni.
Baba yini ngoba sezivile.
Ube sharp. Ula kanje. Don't fight boy, don't fight the girl, don't fight the girl. Okay, bafethu sisacela ukuphuma kancane, we're gonna come back ne.
Yo, wena
So buya bafethu.
beauty.